how to fix missed call notifications that won't go away on iPhone. So if you want to fix missed call notifications that won't go away on iPhone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with notifications. And under notifications, you need to scroll down and select phone. And here you need to go and toggle off the option of allow notifications. Now you need to force restart your device. To force restart, you need to press volume up button and then volume down button and your side button, and then Apple logo will appear. And after force restarting your iPhone, you need to open up your settings again, and under settings you need to again go with the same interface, which is allow notifications, which will be under your notifications. Scroll down, go with phone and allow the notifications, and this might fix your problem. If you want to know the missed notifications, you need to go with called, which is on the bottom left, and then here on the right side you will have missed. Here you will have all of your missed notifications. That's how you can fix your missed call notifications that won't go away on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.